Hi, Jim Van Zant, one of the pastors here at Carlisle United Methodist Church with this week's edition of Sermon in 3 Minutes. Last week we wrapped up our series of Gospel of Nobodies. Those are looking at the Gospel of Luke, where Jesus has exchanges with people in the fringes of society, the least, the last, and the lost, who we would call the nobodies, but those conversations always happened with a group of somebodies standing around. By the end of the story, you're not sure exactly who the nobody is and who the somebody is. You know, the Gospel of Luke really only has two messages, and one is a message to nobodies, and the message is you're a somebody in God's eyes, so live like it. Live the gift that He's breathed into you. And the second message is to the somebodies, saying to the somebodies, if you want to be a disciple of Jesus, then you need to humble yourself and lift up as many nobodies as come across your path. You know, most of us aren't homeless. Most of us have jobs, careers, or we're retired from one. We've got money in the bank and we get to enjoy life to a certain degree. Most of us would consider ourselves just average according to our Western civilization culture. And yet, in looking at the latest statistics I've seen, we are the somebodies according to almost 97% of the rest of the world. Question for us is, are we the right kind of somebodies, the somebodies that God can use? You know, I've always enjoyed the illustration that pastor, author, teacher Francis Chan uses to illustrate, are we the right kind of somebody? And the illustration is simply this. He says, if my daughter comes to me and I say to her, go clean your room, and she comes back an hour later and says to me, Dad, you're going to be so proud of me. I memorized what you told me to do. You told me to go clean my room. And then if she comes back an hour after that and says, Dad, you're going to be really proud of me this time. I learned how to say, go clean your room in Greek. And then an hour later, she comes back to me and says, Dad, you're not going to believe this, but me and my friends, we're going to get together for 1 hour a week, and we're going to study what it might actually look like for me to clean my room. You know, he would say then, my daughter knows better to do that, so why do you and I do that with Jesus? Are we the right kind of somebody? Are you the right kind of somebody? Luke 6:46, Jesus said, why do you call me Lord, Lord, and don't do what I say? This is the sermon in 3 minutes. Have a great day.